Have you ever thought that our universe might not be what it seems? What if everything we experience, space, time, gravity, is actually part of a huge computer simulation? This might sound like science fiction, but some scientists are exploring this seriously. One of them is physicist Melvin Vopson from the University of Portsmouth. He has proposed a fascinating idea that gravity, the force that pulls objects together, could actually be a side effect of the universe processing and compressing information. Vopson believes the universe behaves like a vast computer. Just like a computer tries to use storage space efficiently, the universe might be trying to reduce how much information it needs to store. According to him, when objects are pulled together by gravity, like stars, planets, or galaxies, the amount of information needed to describe those objects actually decreases. It's similar to how compressing a file on your computer makes it smaller and easier to store. Gravity, in this view, is not a fundamental force, but the result of the universe trying to simplify and organize its data. To explain this further, Vopson introduces a new principle called the second law of infodynamics. This is inspired by the second law of thermodynamics, which says that entropy, or disorder, increases over time in an isolated system. But Vopson suggests that when it comes to information, the universe actually works the opposite way. It tries to reduce information entropy. In simpler terms, it organizes itself more and more over time. And gravity might be a key part of that organizing process. But when gravity causes matter to clump together, it's not just a physical interaction, it might be the universe's way of managing data more efficiently. This could mean that gravity is actually a byproduct of a cosmic compression algorithm, making everything simpler and easier for the universe to compute. It's a new way of thinking that challenges everything we know about physics and the nature of reality. This theory fits into other ideas in modern physics, like digital physics and the holographic principle. These theories also suggest that the universe is fundamentally based on information, not just matter and energy. If this is true, it gives more weight to the idea that we might be living inside a simulated reality. It doesn't mean our lives are fake, but it could mean that the world we experience is part of a much bigger intelligent system, something like a computer. While this theory is still speculative and needs more evidence, it opens up incredible possibilities. If gravity really is tied to the way the universe processes information, then we may have found a new clue about how everything works. Maybe gravity isn't just a force, maybe it's a feature of a giant cosmic computer trying to keep things neat, simple, and efficient. In the end, it's a bold idea that invites us to rethink what we know about reality. And who knows, maybe understanding gravity in this new way will help us uncover the true nature of the universe.